This website has been paying me from 2017. Hey, no be small thing. Omo, shey sef hustle no wa kere no aye ni. Anyway, guys, you see this website, you can sign up on this website and you earn as high as 20k in a month. So it is a side hustle, it is an additional income to your revenue. The name of this website is hello beautiful people, how are you doing? Welcome back to the screen of my phone. So like you all know, I love using my phone to teach how to make money online. I make the research and I come and get back to you guys. So in this video today, I'll be showing you guys how you can make money using a survey site, how you can make at least 20,000 naira monthly using a survey site. And you need to follow my instructions to the end so you a good knowledge on how you can use this survey site efficiently. So the first thing I'll be doing right now is I'll go to my Chrome browser. So if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do what, subscribe to the channel, join the family, drop us a like or an emoji. Thank you. So the next thing I will be typing in here is Mobrug. Mobrug.com. Mobrug is spelled as Mobrog. As you can see it, Mobrog, mobrog.com. So it will bring you straight up to this site. Look at the logo very well so that you don't go and sign up on another website like that. And they pay an average of between $0.50 to $0.50 to $3 per completed survey. They have an app too that is on Play Store, you can download it, or on Apple Store, you can download it. This is their rating on Trustpilot. They have 4.5 rating, and it is even based on 51,645 reviews. You understand? So they have the way the website works. Like the other day, I uploaded a video about Panel Station. Okay, please let me just quickly drop this. If you chat me up on Telegram, I do not have any bring one friend to refer another one, or bring one friend to pay this or something like that. I don't have that kind of a thing. So anybody that is chatting you up, that is saying you should make payments to their direct account, or you should chat them up or do all those sort of things, they are scammers. So please, let's be careful so that we don't fall victim of scammers. You understand? So in one of my previous videos, I made a video about how you can sign up on Panel Station and get paid. Some people signed up on Panel Station and they are not patient. Like on this online street, you have to be patient. Like patience is a virtue here. You understand, on this online street. But before I show you guys how to register, let me just go straight and show you guys my Gmail so that you guys will know that I've been working with this website for a very long time. So this is my Gmail. So as you can see, if you come down here, you see that this Gmail has been reading from 2017 upward. In 2017, I did this Mobrug very well and I got paid. Like I'm always checking my email, I'm always checking my spam folder, I'm always checking my promotion box, I'm always checking my mail. You understand? These things take time. So you just need to, be consistent, have patience with it. So as you can see, 2017, okay, 2018. So it goes on and on and on like that. So let me just go back to where we have the website here. So as you can see, let's just the payment method. But before the payment method, it says by sharing your opinion and experience through online surveys, you can help shape the products and services of the future. So make money with online surveys. As you can see here, I've touched it again. I made it give me in naira. You understand? So that you'll be able to get paid using your bank account. You get? So but here again, we need to check their means of payment, because all these websites, as you all know, they do upgrade from time to time. You understand? They accept PayPal, they accept bank transfer, they accept Amazon vouchers and much more. It will always tell you how long a survey will take approximately before you begin. You understand? So dis surveys, once you're starting up on dis surveys, if you want a survey dats the truth, try and not state, even if you are single, don't state anything that you are single. You can say you're married with 4 kids. This is a particular tip I'm giving you, like tip for you to get more surveys, because when they know that you're a family person, they know that you will spend more, you require more, so you definitely have bought a lot of things that you will be able to give them feedback on. You understand? So it says an average we are paying between 100 naira and 600 naira per survey. You understand? So let's even assume that you work, let's say 20 times. No, let's say you work 30 times in a month. So let's assume that each survey will pay you 600 naira, which some might not and some might. So in a month, that is approximately 24,000 naira extra. So and if he's paying you 500 naira, that's approximately 15,000 naira extra. So you just click on this get started. So you click on this email address, you input your email address here, you confirm your email address again, you come down here, input your password, you input your nickname. Let me use Safe Hustle. So you come back here, you input your date of birth, you input either you're a male or a female. You come back here, you input your postcode. Now your postcode depends on your state or your locality or environment. So you can just use Chrome browser to search for your postcode. I know mine offhand. Your occupation. Now it is important for you to understand that if you're choosing your occupation, you should choose a full-time occupation. Now this full-time occupation will enable them to send you more surveys, because they will believe that you are one of the major decision makers in the family. Since you work full time, it is just understandable that it is either you are the one supplying for the family, as in buying things for the family, or you are the one paying for the things the family are using. So and they need reviews, or they need you to attend to surveys that attend to basically most of what people are using. So the next thing is your educational level. You can choose university or postgraduate education. Anyone you feel is okay. So I'll just choose university, and then I'll enter this code. These are a small letter, so I have to follow suit. Small letter R5HDM. Okay, you click on this agree. So the next thing you're going to do is hit this register, allow it to load, and voila, it says registration sent. One last click and you're good to go. So they have to send you a message in your inbox. You can just go ahead and check your inbox for you to proceed with your registration. Now it says you have to confirm the whatever it is called, the email. So you have to confirm your account with them. So what we just need to do is to minimize this, and we need to go straight to email. This is email. So as you can see, it is even the first mail here. You click on it. Once you click on it, you click on confirm registration now. So if you have not subscribed to this channel, if you have not liked this particular video that you are getting content from like this, nobody will give you these tips that I'm giving you, these in total tips, nobody will give you. So if you have not liked this video, pico, yeah, like the video, I love you guys. And this is what we have. It's a new account. As you can see, $0, but I can withdraw at $6.25. You understand? It is a Nigerian account. There is one that is dollar, that you see dollar. There's one that you see naira. I think they are both the same sha. So if you want, this is a start survey. If you want to start a survey, you can click on this. It will open other survey this thing for you. But because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, I won't be clicking on it. You can invite your friends. You can win a lottery. So let's try this win a lottery. Let's see if it will enable us to win a lottery. Let's see. But we haven't even worked. We haven't even earned anything. But this is a lottery. So it said Mobrog lottery. You earn €100. You earn €100 if you win a lottery. This one, I don't know if this is the available lottery for, I don't know this country. But if these are the flags of your country, you can sign up. I think this lottery is for you guys. So but they usually have Nigerian lottery as well, but currently they don't have it. So if you are from any of these countries, you can sign up for the lottery. So let's just scroll up. So that's all about the lottery. You can go back, and then you can choose to do this $0.20 survey. When you click on it, it will take you to start a survey instantly. Let's see what it brings us. It's loading. It says we are sorry you were not able to complete this survey. Okay, let me search for a new survey. Okay, it says that for you to start any survey, you need to complete your profile. That's what it's saying here, that you need to complete your profile. Take a look at it. Your profile will enable them to set some surveys for you. Do you understand? Your profile will enable them to allocate surveys for you. So what you just do is you can watch their video on how to get more surveys, or on how to get more surveys. But if you can't watch their video, just go to your profile and fill in the information, and then you wait for them to keep sending you surveys. So guys, that's all about Moboblog. I will drop the link in the description box where you can sign up if you are interested. If you're interested, you can sign up through that link. It will take you straight up to where you will sign up. So thank you so much guys. I will see you guys in my next video. Please do let me know what you think, or drop your review about this website if you tried it out.